Hey guys, welcome back. I'm doing a bit of a different video today. For a while now, I've been wanting to set up a travel sketchbook for myself, and I'm starting off with an inspirational quote that I fell in love with when I saw, which says, "We travel not to escape life, but for life not to escape us." I think the reason I like this quote is because it's such a powerful message to express in just one sentence. And what it means to me is, yeah, we travel for life not to escape us, so for those fleeting moments where we can have those grand adventures. But it's not just about that. It's about the fact that, we don't escape our daily life through those 2 weeks out of the year that we have for ourselves to go traveling. We should be enjoying every moment of life because it's short and it doesn't come again. You just get one time. You only get one life, or at least that's what I get out of it. I guess another way of expressing it would be build the life you love and travel often. Anyway, if that's going off on a bit of a tangent, I'm sorry, you guys. Let me just take a brief moment to explain why I decided to start a travel journal for myself. So the reason for that was really twofold. One was obviously to record my memories and sort of have an internal lens showing where I've been and what I've experienced. But the second one was to really give myself a little bit more artistic freedom than what I was getting out of, picking a subject every week and trying to draw it as detailed and highly rendered as possible. I still think those weekly practices are good for expanding my skill set and honing in my techniques. I do feel that I'm a little bit limited in the amount of creativity that I put into it. So this, for example, was a fun exercise in playing around with not just, shape and form. Well, not really form. They're just cartoon 2D shapes. But it's more about thinking about the composition and how you're going to lay things out on the page and playing with the different fonts, which is something I don't normally do, but I think does require a good deal of creativity that I don't tap into on a daily basis. So I thought it might be fun to, take a break from doing those, trying to do realism and copying subjects to doing something a little bit more freeform and creative like this. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm planning to do a series of, I think, 5 videos of, past travels that I've done in the previous years. And just creating spreads with, those trips and having a combination of both sketches and thoughts, notes, impressions of those adventures that I've had in the past. I've had my passport now for about 5 years, and I've been pretty consistent about taking a trip every year, so I just figured now's the time to look back on the past 5 years and also sort of think about the future 5 years and roadmap where I want to go next. So let me know in the comments below if you guys would enjoy that kind of content, and without further ado, I'm just going to hand you guys over to the music.